how to download and install YouTube mobile app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we're going to talk about downloading and installing the latest version of YouTube mobile application on your mobile device. So if you're using Android, you need to go ahead and launch your Google Play Store. And if you're using iPhone, you need to go ahead and launch your App Store on your device. Once you've launched it, tap on the search icon in the top right corner of your screen and then search for YouTube application. And once you find it, tap on install, which will be highlighted in blue color. Wait for it to fully install on your device, and then after you can log into your account and start using it. There are also other options related to YouTube like YouTube Music, YouTube Studio, YouTube Kids, and more. If you want to go ahead and install them too, you can search for them, go to their profile, and then tap on install. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.